Focus. Concentration.
My man's crazy right here. 13. Getting it in. Got the chain on.
In the park.
Like grinderz all day. Boy. We built warriors out here.
That's it. That's it.
There you go. Keep it up. Keep it up. Breathe. That's good money right there.
That's it, bro. That's it. That's it. Motivated. See dangling.
There you go. There you go. Like a prop.
He didn't know he could do this. He got this thing.
We ain't gonna stop.
We ain't gonna let him know where he at. We're just gonna show it to him. Something he's never done before. First time, he focused. Him and his brother, his buddy Jamal. Whenever you want to, it's on you. You can relax whenever you feel like it. That's what I'm talking about.
Good money, good money.
Good money, bro. Good money, bro. Good money.